Bluey woke up feeling excited. A colorful balloon floated outside the window. Could it be the start of an adventure? Bingo ran over. She asked Bluey, "What should we do?" Bluey grinned. "Let's follow it." Dad peeked from the porch. "Be careful." Mom smiled gently. Bluey nodded determinedly. They stepped into the backyard. The balloon bobbed gently in the breeze. Bluey's tail wagged. Could something magical be waiting? Suddenly, the balloon dipped toward the garden. Bluey gasped. Bingo whispered, could it lead to a surprise? They chased it carefully. Over the flowers. Around the fountain. The balloon glowed softly. Bluey felt excitement bubbling. Could they reach it before it floats away? Dad and Mom watched from the gate. Bluey spotted a hidden path behind the bushes. She whispered, "Let's go." The balloon hovered above a sparkling puddle. Bluey stepped closer. Her reflection danced in the water. Bingo giggled. Could magic really be real? Suddenly, the balloon burst gently. Out came a tiny creature with glowing wings. Bluey gasped. Bingo clapped her paws. Could this be a fairy friend? The creature chirped softly, leading them to a secret garden. Flowers glimmered in rainbow colors. Bluey twirled in delight. Could happiness feel this alive? They explored together, jumping over tiny rocks, chasing butterflies, laughing in the sun. Bluey's heart felt light and joyful. As the sun began to set, they returned home. The backyard looked ordinary again. Bluey whispered, "What an amazing day." Bingo hugged Bluey tightly. "Thank you for sharing this magical adventure." Bluey wagged her tail happily. "And you?" "Yes, you." If you felt the magic with Bluey, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you so much for watching.